Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my plan for filming today did not go like I wanted it to. There's a bunch of video that I wanted to film this morning, but I got super lazy and I realized that I do that a lot with myself. So I get in a rut when I feel like I'm not productive enough, and it doesn't help because I'm very hard on myself all the time. So it puts me in this situation where I'm beating myself down because I'm not productive enough, but then I go into procrastination / lazy mode. So then it's like a circle all the time. Anyways, I'm trying to break out of that, hence why I'm filming at midnight. It is Sunday, October 14th, and it is 11:50. Shout out to Tiny's Marie's for leaving me a comment, but I swear to you, it's 11:50 and I am here trying to wrap up what I wanted to do today. I was fairly productive today. I did my hair, which turned out different than what I wanted it to, so I don't know if I'll post it, but we'll see. I may try to fix it first before I post it because y'all are so harsh, you know. If I post it this way, no one's gonna be happy. And I went out and took pictures, and today I'm here filming a Q&A video. So actually I posted a picture on Instagram maybe a week and a half ago now, and also my last video on YouTube I asked you guys to send me some questions, so I am here to answer them all, and we're gonna do it quickly because it's midnight. All right, so let's go through Instagram first. I'm just gonna go through and pick some good ones. When it is your shampoo day, how long does it take you? How do you balance work, life, and YouTube? What are some of your favorite hair products? Thanks for all the questions, girl. When it comes to my wash days, honestly, it can take as long as I wanted to. For example, today I washed my hair, and because I knew I was styling right away and I was pressed for time, I quickly did it. So the days that I know that I'm sort of skipping out, what I do is I steam my hair. So I wash, pop on some conditioner, pop on my dip conditioner, and then sit under the steamer for 20 minutes. So now that my hair still gets that tender loving care without me having to do too much to it. And this whole process will take me maybe about an hour. And that includes washing, steaming, and putting my hair in twists. And that's typically what I do when I am pressed for time, or if I'm doing it late at night, or if I just really don't want to deal with my hair too much. So that's about an hour, and then I can take the twist out the next day if I have to go to work or if I have to go out, and wear my hair out as a twist out, which I love. I've been doing a lot of twist outs lately, and I think I've finally sort of figured them out because they don't always work for my 4C hair. I remember my hair was longer, I hated twist outs. My hair just always looks so thin, and for some reason this time around it's working out, so I'm liking it. How do I balance work, life, and YouTube? Honestly, this is my biggest challenge lately. It's balancing work, life, and YouTube. So just social media in general. First of all, there's so many different platforms out there, and what I've decided to do, or what I think will work best for my sanity, is to sort of narrow it down to the platforms that I particularly like and the one that I don't find that it's a chore to post on them. For example, Twitter. I can't fuck with Twitter. Twitter doesn't do it for me. I know I love YouTube, I love Instagram, I love blogging. So those are the three platforms I find that I just have to focus around those because there's so many, and I'm not a full-time blogger. There's so much time that I have outside of work because I do work long hours, and then of course I have my home life, I have my boyfriend, I have to make dinner, I have to cook, I have to clean. I have to do all of these things, and then I also have to sit down and film and do my hair. So the way that I find that I balance it, or at least I'm trying, and I am trying to get better at it, is to do what I have to do when I have to do it quickly and just get it out of the way, so that at the end of the day I have time to just be here, you know, cook, clean, and do whatever that needs to be done around the house, or just completely chill, you know, just take a break, because it's hard having to manage so many different things. And hopefully I find a routine that works. That's another area where I'm really hard on myself, because as soon as I'm super busy, YouTube and my social media life take a back burner, and I don't like that. I find that when I'm not on YouTube, on Instagram, blogging, or whatever, it affects me. It's my little outlet, you know what I mean? And if I'm too busy and I can't balance it properly, then it just puts me into this space where I start beating myself down. I feel like I should be doing more. I feel like I should be balancing it better, and I am hard on myself, and then I get down about it. Anyways, it's like this vicious cycle that I've been trying to keep up with all of these different aspects of my life. All right, my favorite hair products. I do have a video that I posted not too long ago, and those were the products that I was using at the time. If I had to pick just a few products, it will be shea butter based products. So for example, I have this leave-in that I absolutely love, and I just did my hair, so most of the products are still here. I also have a shea butter in a container like this, and this is very moisturizing to my hair, and I've been using shea butter for a really long time. The latest addition to my favorite products is this scalp treatment, and it's by the Innate Life. I've been really loving this lately. I talked about it in my last video, and I think I'm probably gonna do an Instagram post just to let you guys know, because my scalp has been super happy. I've been loving it, so I want to share it with you. Next question. Hey Queen, could you share some tips on staying motivated? Again, I feel like I'm the worst at being motivated. I literally get myself up by just literally talking to myself. Like, I have a ton of ideas in my head. I'm always writing things down so I don't forget them. I make lists all the time, and I think seeing them sort of keep me going, keep me motivated in a sense, because once I write it down and I put it next to my computer and I go by and I see it and I know that I haven't done it, I'm like, okay, well, I should get that done. I should just do it and get out of the way so that I can move on to something else before I get in a situation where, you know, I'm hard on myself, or even like type it out on my phone or something, so then it's out there and I know once I see it again, most likely I'll get it done. Most likely. So have I considered getting sister locks? Okay, so this has been my #1 question, no lie. Y'all don't want to know about my boyfriend. Y'all don't want to know about my life. Y'all want to know when I'm gonna get locks. And some of you guys already been asking me, you're basically like, when are you getting locks? And it's like, well, when did I say I was getting locks? Like, I don't know. I feel like at some point in my life, I would lock my hair. I don't know if I'll get sister locks. One of the main things that I'm scared of is that I have fine hair, and once I get locks, I don't want it to look gappy. You know what I mean? If I ever get locks, let me take that back. If I get locks, I don't want it to look gappy. So I think that's one of the main things that makes me shy away from locks. My boyfriend have super long locks, and they're beautiful. Love them. So I think later on in life, seeing how beautiful his hair is turning out really makes me want to lock my hair. But then at the same time, I change my hair so often. I perm it, I go back natural, I cut it, I grow. I get bored of having my hair just one way for too long. So I don't know if I could commit to locks. I feel like I would cut them off before they even lock. What does being Haitian mean to you, especially with this platform? Being Haitian is everything to me. I love the fact that I'm Haitian. I love the fact that I was not born and raised here, and I mean like in the States / Canada. I love that I was born and raised somewhere else, and I have that tradition with me. I have the culture with me. I love it. It's definitely something that I would love to show more on my platform. I know my platform is mainly hair, to be honest, and I mean, if I post anything other than hair, y'all don't fuck with it. I would love to bring more exposure to Haiti in general and people in Haiti, but I haven't been back in so long. Haiti is a place that's so dear to me, and it's everything to me. So I would love to post more about it and just get back in touch with my culture, because I find that I've been away for so long and there's a lot of tradition that I either don't know about or don't even practice in a sense, but I would love to get back to my roots. All right, so I need all your YouTube growth and editing tips. That's not a question. And what tips, what growth, what editing tips? Honestly, I just do what I like, and that's probably why I'm failing at it. When it comes to YouTube, that's definitely not something I've taken so seriously in the past, and I think it's one of the areas that I beat myself so much on. I've been on YouTube for a really long time, but I've always left it as my little outlet. I never wanted to like make money off of it. In my head, I always thought that if I turned it into my job, then I would start hating it, just because I've never, this sounds so bad, but I've never had jobs that I've been so passionate about, and that's probably the wrong way of thinking about it, because I should be doing something that I love and YouTube is something that I love. But I'm Haitian again, and my parents effectively beat into my head that I would only be successful if I became a doctor or a lawyer. So I never could look at YouTube as social media as a career, and I feel that's one of the biggest mistakes I've made way back in the day. I was always so careful with it. And now I feel like I'm sort of paying the price, but at the same time, it's never really too late. I should be taking it more seriously now if that's something that I want to do. But then again, I feel like I really have to sit down and write down my priorities, what I want, my goals, especially for the next 5 years or so, and really just start working on the things that I want to make happen in my life, because I feel like life is happening to me, but I'm not happening to it. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm getting too deep. Okay, let's switch over to YouTube, because I didn't want this video to be super long, but probably will be. Have you considered a chemical peel? They work wonderfully to even your overall complexion. Yes, girl. I actually used to get chemical peels at least 3 years ago now, because my skin used to be really bad. I don't know if you guys know this. If you're new to my channel, you probably don't, but I used to have severe acne all on my cheeks and my forehead. Oh, it used to be so bad. Actually, I made a video on this a long time ago. The best way that I clear my skin was by going vegan, and then now I eat a whole bunch of junk, so my skin is never fully clear. I would definitely get a chemical peel, especially something a little stronger than what I used to get back in the day. And also what I've been getting is a lot of facials, and they've really been helping me out. So I've been loving getting a facial. I've been getting a facial at least once a month for the past like 3 months, you know, but yeah, but it's been making a huge difference in my skin. So I can be a little bit lazy on my diet, but if I get a facial, it just snatches everything up. Someone would ask, what is my accent? I am Haitian, from Haiti, from the motherland. I was born and raised there. Again, my favorite go-to products, I will link the video that I made. Some things have changed. I do use the Shea Moisture line still, but I'm looking for a new dip conditioner actually. I want to switch up my dip conditioner. So if you know something that's super good that you've been loving, leave it down below so I can try it. And if I do and love it, I'll give you a shout out. Am I going to grow my hair long again? That's another question I get all the time. And so far, yes. I think at first I wasn't sure, but I think right now I am for a little bit. The next haircut that I may get is probably gonna be next year if I do decide to cut my hair, but it won't be too short. I don't want to say short hair era is over, because I loved it so much. I love my short hair, but I'm taking a break right now. And I may start the protective style challenge. A lot of you guys have been asking me, so I think I may do the protective style challenge and then reevaluate how I feel about long hair. But my hair's been going like crazy, so. A relationship vlog. Not a question, but I don't know. I'll have to think about this one. I like to keep the boy to myself, because once you put your relationship out there like that, it must create some sort of strain on the relationship. With all of these YouTubers that have been in a relationship for so long, they're all breaking up, you know. Everyone and their mama's breaking up, and I don't want that to happen to me and the boy. So I think I'm just gonna try to keep it to myself for now. We'll see. I'm not saying no. Maybe in the future I may vlog my life a little bit more, which I have been doing. I've been doing little vlogs here and there, but I've been keeping the boy to myself. I like him. Would I do a meetup in Ottawa? If you guys are interested, I don't mind. So if you do want me to do a meetup in the Ottawa area, leave a comment down below. I think that's it. That's it for my questions. If you have any more questions for me, feel free to leave them down below. I typically take my time and answer all of my comments on YouTube. How do you stay productive? I have a question for you. If you are a content creator out there and you make YouTube videos and you're on Instagram and you work a full-time job, that's a very important criteria. If you work a full-time job, how do you balance your work life and social media time? Let me know, because I'm very curious, and I've been trying to split things up, but sometimes it's too much. And I go through these long periods where you guys don't see me, but it's because I'm trying to get my life together, y'all. That's why. It's hard. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know any requests that you have. I am going to post a few more videos about the protective style challenge coming up, the hair that I filmed today. I have a lot of videos that I filmed that I haven't edited. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next one. Have a good night. Mwah.